child of God, do you put on mini skirts, body shop, damages, bakasimanyi DC what? Back show, body show, eh? What do you expect someone who is a child of God to put on? How do you dress? Yes? Yeah? Yes. You put on a band, which is also good, yes? Long dresses, yes? Long skirts. And now you put on a coat. You have that, yes? Yes. Another one. If I find you when you're a child of God, most especially when you are going to in the church, you put on a mini skirt. What are you going to show? Boys and fine, but girls. Okay? If you're a child of God and you want to do good things, we put on what? Long skirt.